Hello everyone, good morning. Today is Monday. We have a few things to do. It is Thanksgiving week. I want to show you what I've purchased grocery wise for Thanksgiving, and I'm probably going to prepare some things today, but we're going to start off with making some coffee and some breakfast, and yeah. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys some of the things that we purchased yesterday, Sunday, for Thanksgiving. There is more, but I literally had to take this back out of the fridge and the cabinets, pantry, just to show you guys. So I took most of it out, but I do have some things that I just left in there because it was too much. I gotta put this back, okay? So we got this turkey, went to BJ's yesterday, and they actually have a coupon that expires on the 22nd where you can get a free turkey. I got the cheese, macaroni. I am planning on making seafood salad is with the macaroni, as well as macaroni and cheese. We have carrots. I made some honey glazed carrots the other day for an event we had to go to. It was my first time making them, first time trying them. They were delicious, so I was gonna add it to our Thanksgiving menu. Then we have some butter, relish. I'm gonna put in the seafood salad. My father-in-law is making some potato salad, so we're gonna be using the relish as well as the mayo. We have 3 cans of collard greens. My goal was to find 6, but I couldn't find. Literally, I had to go to different stores to find these. Then I have these candy yams. We're not making certain things from scratch. No, ma'am. No. So I got the candy yams. I usually season them myself. And I'm going to put some marshmallows. I have some marshmallows in my cabinet. Then we have the collard greens. I did buy some turkey neck, smoked already turkey necks. I'm going to put in the collard greens. We have these 2 cans of gravy. We have cranberry sauce. I'm gonna make arroz con guandules, so I got the tomato paste for some color and flavor, as well as the guandules. We have the tuna that I'm gonna use for the seafood salad. And then I am planning on making some coquito. So I have these here. All I need is really the what's it called? The liquor. And then I have this because I am planning on making a brown sugar cake and topping it with this. We have, on top of the fridge, we have sweet potato pie. In the freezer upstairs, I have, so on the top of the fridge, I have sweet potato pie. We're going to have crumble apple pie. In the last vlog where I went food shopping, I told you guys that I wanted to get some crumble apple pie. We're gonna buy vanilla ice cream. I have not purchased it yet because I don't want the kids to eat it. We do have ice cream in the fridge, but if I got vanilla and put it in the freezer, they was just gonna rummage through it. So we have that. I am also gonna make cornbread stuffing inspired by Grandma Bunny, and we're gonna make some fried chicken wings as well as barbecue wings. But my father-in-law, I'm gonna let him, you know, I was trying not to have him make anything and have him have like a relaxed day, but he loves to cook, so he's gonna make the potato salad, the fried chicken, as well as the, what's it called, the cabbage. I'm gonna make everything else. Someone else is gonna make the macaroni. So yeah, I bought honey because I like to put honey on top of this cornbread. This cornbread here, I don't know if you can see it because it's blurry. It's delicious. This is the fry for the chicken. And yeah, so I am gonna cook for a lot of people. We alone, my family alone, aside from my in-laws, is 10. And then we have to include my in-laws and their kids, and then we have my brothers who I cook for every holiday, and I make them their own servings. So I'll buy like the aluminum foil smaller pans, and all of them, there's 3 of them, they each get their individual pans. So I am cooking for a lot of people. Even though this seems like there's a lot, I am cooking for a lot of people. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys real quick, and now I'm gonna put all of this back. I hear a boo-boo-lee. I hear you, boo. Hi, boo. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Yeah, I made you some food. Good morning. You're welcome, baby. Did you sleep well? I'm happy you slept well. I was making me some coffee. I showed them all the stuff that we bought for Thanksgiving that we're gonna cook.
Mom, what is today?
Today's Monday. Yeah. Were you ready for homeschool later? You are? I'm so happy.
Because I'm starting to like homeschool.
I know, because you're such a smart girl. Say hi.
Hi. Wait, I'm too far. That's why.
No, they can see you. They can see you. So today we have to get done. We have to do homeschool.
Yeah, because I didn't do it yesterday.
Well, yesterday was Sunday, so you don't do homeschool on the weekends, but
It doesn't matter.
you're right. So we're gonna do homeschool. We gotta wash your hair, right? And we're gonna style your hair, okay, today.
Yeah, because it's dirty.
Yeah. So you're gonna eat your corn dog. I'm about to make me some breakfast. I made her a corn dog. She has her juice. I'm gonna let her watch a little bit of TV as I make my breakfast and eat. And after we're done, we're gonna do homeschool, okay?
Mom, thank you for making me my breakfast.
You're welcome, baby. Love you.
Love you. Mom, thank you for giving me this unicorn. Because I was hoping it will feel like you.
You had a good sleep with your unicorn doll?
Yeah.
That is so awesome. I'm so happy you had a good sleep.
Hey, Mommy,
Hmm?
I don't feel anything on my finger.
You feel better?
Yeah.
That is,
I don't feel anything.
so it's gonna be a perfect day.
I don't feel anything, Mommy.
That's good. Okay, you
So
said-
if I touch it and I take it off, then I can take it off tomorrow when I wake up again. Okay?
yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna touch it and
hurts?
It hurts a little bit.
Oh, okay. Well, just...
But when I wake up again, it's not going to hurt.
Yeah, it's going to be healed.
The letter of the week today.
I. The letter of the week is I.
Yesterday we had L.
No, we had E. No. We had N last week, remember?
No, first we had L.
Yeah, but last week we had E.
Remember, put my stepping down because I had to eat. Thank you for making my food.
You're welcome, baby. It's probably cooled off, so you could probably eat it now.
It's so cooled off. Where's the kids?
The kids went to school. Okay guys, I totally forgot to show you guys my plate. It was delicious. I had sausages with some French toast, and as you can see, I loved it.
Hey.
Hey, good job.
So first is E N I A.
Good job. Okay guys, so we're done with homeschool. I am going to bake some of these. My brother's going to a potluck and he asked me to make him some brownies for the potluck. He needs about 80. So I'm just gonna start now and making them. So I'm gonna start with making some brown butter. So because I need it to cool down, I'm gonna make it right now, and then later on I'll make the brownies and I'll bring you guys along. So I'm gonna start with the butter now.
And then I'm also gonna get Nico some egg bites because he hasn't had breakfast. And I might get myself something to eat as well, because if I just chug this coffee, I'm not gonna like end up eating breakfast. I already know myself. I'm going to school. And luckily there is no long line at Starbucks.
Smells good, so I don't think it burnt. Hopefully it didn't. I'm gonna try it when it cools down, and yeah. Wanted to show you real quick, we're just making a quick lunch. Grilled cheese. We ate breakfast kind of later in the day, so we're just now having lunch, and then I'm gonna cook dinner later. Might bring you guys along. Okay, so we just washed her hair. Turn around so they can see. Her hair's all washed. She all nice and clean. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. With, what are those? That's not funny. What happened to your shoes?
Okay, let's start over.
No, what happened to your shoes?
I don't know.
What happened? Why you can't find the other pair? You love it?
It's smooth. Yeah. Oh, this is what you was talking about?
The little scratch, yeah.
Oh.
I'm not finished yet though.
Mommy, it doesn't matter. It still looks beautiful.
It does look beautiful. You look gorgeous. But you look gorgeous like this or with your curly hair and your different hairstyles. It doesn't matter what type of hairstyle you have. You look beautiful always.
Thank you.
Get down. And turn around. You want to go look in the mirror?
Yeah. But do I look like you?
Yeah. You look beautiful.
Thanks, Mommy. My hair is mad smooth.
You like it?
Yeah.
Go show Daddy.
Okay.
And Shuffy.
Bye.
Okay, so I started making the brownies for my brother's event tomorrow. I have some here. These are done. And then I have some here. I'm waiting to put in, but I have to wait for the other ones to cool down. And this princess here made a YouTube video. I'll probably insert a clip of what she did.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some brownies, and my mom is gonna help me do it.
Okay guys, I'm exhausted. I hope you enjoyed today's video and can't wait to see you guys again. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below.